Hello, friends and listeners. Thank you so much for listening to the Level Up podcast series by SBI Life, a podcast about the level up journey of young achievers with me, your host, Anku Goel. In the second episode of the Level Up podcast series, we have with us Pia Srijesh, a farmer's son who made India proud at the Tokyo Olympics with a bronze medal as the goalkeeper of the great Indian hockey team. His story shows the true heart of a farmer and a spirit of a sportsman. Listen in to this inspiring podcast. Thank you, Srijesh, for your time. It's utmost pleasure to have you with us. Not just pleasure, I should say it's a moment of pride to have you with us on the Level Up podcast series. How does it feel?
It's great. My life has been changed after winning that medal. So I'm just was really busy with in the last few weeks, really tough. Today is a really good day. Back to our routine. So it's really good.
With this victory, I think not just you've changed the history for our sport, but I think it's quite changed a lot of things in your personal life. How does it come around to you?
It's life changed a lot. A lot means a lot because the way how people used to look at to us and the way how they used to treat us. Now it's totally changed. It took a 380-degree change. And second thing is before. Being an Olympian, that is just a name. But after winning a medal, Olympians are common, but Olympic medal is rare in India. So people started to treat us in a different way. It's like a star. It's the people. Kids want to meet us. People want to meet us. They want to take pictures. They want some sort of photograph. So life changed, and I'm not used to with all this busy life. Seriously, last 1.5 months, it was really tough. It is like every day around 1,500 people are coming and meeting you. That is like really new thing for me. But yeah, managing this all success.
I want to go back to this journey, Srijesh. You have come along to bring us something which we got once in 4 decades. If I talk about just the Olympic win or the bronze medal, we're talking about, of course, you're going forward with more to achieve for us. How has this journey been? Was it something as a Olympiad, as a sports person, did you look forward to this coming this way? Explain us the whole journey. How did it go?
See, you don't expect things. Ultimately, you do have dreams, but you don't really live for that. It's all about per day. If you're doing your best on that particular day, then definitely that is the best thing ever can or you can achieve. So I think that was the conclusion. But still, my career started when I was 12, when I joined sports school as an athlete. And when I realized that, okay, I don't have any future in athletics, I tried volleyball, I tried basketball, I tried football, but somewhere, during that time, I never had that sportsman spirit. I never had that fighting spirit. So I thought, no, I need to jump into some sports where I can find my space and where I feel like, okay, I wanted to play for the state team so that we do get some sort of there is a grace mark in the standard of 10th for the board exam. So my little mind was working for that grace mark, and so that's how I ended up joining hockey in 2000. From there, it took almost 21 years to win a medal. So that is quite a long journey.
What was the turning point? There are so many turning point ना एक पूरे journey में कितने ऐसे मोड़ आते हैं जो चीजों को change कर देते हैं. For your level up journey, what was the turning point moment?
I think getting a job was the turning point, because that is the time where I felt it like, yes, now I can fully focus on my game. Because the initial stage was really struggling for me. So there were a lot of turning points, but I felt it like, joining GVS Sports School was the first turning point happened to me. Second, in spite of all the no's from my family members, I chose playing hockey. That was the second turning point. But the main turning point, which I always feel like, I got a job in the Indian Overseas Bank in 2006. I joined there, and from there, I never looked back. From there, I was only focusing on my hockey career, and from there on, I just pick up.
But what were the struggles then? If there were many obstacles that came back, because you said you did not have support from family at certain point, बहुत सारे रहे होंगे. But what was the Most toughest moment.
Say, the first thing is that basically I am from a farmer's family. So paisa ek bahut bada issues hota hai, where you struggle a lot when you want to buy equipments, and when you are looking at your parent, this is always like, अरे यार कहाँ से पैसा मांगू मैं, parents के पास भी नहीं है. So the first struggle which I felt to buying a hockey goalkeeper equipment, वहाँ पे मैंने पापा को पूछा, पापा मुझे पैसा चाहिए, and ultimately he sent me money. He spoke with my coaches, but he sent me money. But later on I found out that okay, he's always come and send me money. So that was the base of my career, because whenever कुछ issues होता ना life में कि अरे यार मुझे छोड़ना है, मेरे को मन नहीं है, ये ज्यादा हो रहा है, ट्रेनिंग ज्यादा हो रहा है, मेरे से हैंडल नहीं कर पाए. That's the time I used to think about this incident. अरे यार पापा ने इतना स्ट्रगल किया, now you need to do your best. This is nothing in front of that sacrifice. Then that was the initial thing. So जब पहले बार कैंप में आया था मैं, तब people used to laugh at me because I never had any proper equipments. I never had any proper jersey, not branded ones. मैं पैड में रस्सी बांध के आया था. तो these all things were like एक ऐसे मौका था कि जैसे जहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि नहीं अब मुझे छोड़ के जाना है, मेरे को नहीं रहना है, मेरे को नहीं खेलना है. Then that's the time you realize, okay, इतना sacrifice किया, I mean parents ने, family ने, तो आपको ये चीज करना ही होगा. Then I started to look at the positive side. जहाँ पे आपको नेशनल कैंप में आने के बाद आपको अच्छा ट्रेनिंग मिलता है, that is a good sign. Second, आपको accommodation अच्छा मिलता है, that's the second good thing. Third thing, आपको खाना मिलता है. जैसे आपको पता है फार्मर्स के घर में तो हमेशा दाल चावल तो मिलता है, but it's tough to get good food. So that's the initial stage of struggling where I feel like अरे यार ये टाइम कब खत्म होगा ताकि मुझे एक चैन से जिंदगी जी सकता है.
वो मोमेंट कौन सा था श्रीजेश जब लगा कि हाँ अब मेरा जर्नी it's gone up, it's one step up, it's one level up?
Yes, even though I played for the national team when I was 20 or maybe 18, 2004 I made my debut, but 2006 was the year when I debuted into the senior team, and even in fact 2010 I played the World Cup, but 2011 I got a break. In first Asian Champions Trophy, we beat Pakistan in the finals and we won the first Asian Champions Trophy. So that's the time I was there on the goalpost against Pakistan during the finals, and I stopped to penalty shootout. So that's how we won, and that's the time I found like, yes, Rajesh, you are good enough and you do have a better future. So that's a point where I felt like, yes, from there itself my career started like this.
That was the confidence you were looking for?
Yes, definitely, because normally players लोगों को ऐसा चीज होता है, even बच्चे लोगों को भी ऐसा चीज होता है कि हम ऐसे गलत होने के टाइम अरे यार मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ, तो ऐसे फीलिंग आता है. व्हेन यू आर लूजिंग अ मैच यू फील लाइक अरे यार मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ इसलिए मेरे को टीम में नहीं है, मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ इसलिए तो मैं हार रहा हूँ. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंकिंग वाज देयर विद मी ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. सो व्हेन वी वॉन, that's also because of me, I felt like, yes, you are not bad, you are good enough, so if you work really hard you can achieve further. So that was the point where I realized that okay, you are good enough to do better things for your country.
Now that you were there at that moment when you got this victory, did you know this is coming? Because I want to understand from an athlete's point of view, from a sports person, ki end tak wo nervousness rehta hai ki how did you feel that moment? Did you know if this comes, what if it does? It seems like that movie we saw Shah Rukh Khan ka, you know, Chak De India. that moment where you don't know this is going that way or behind.
See, जैसे एज ए प्लेयर जब फर्स्ट विसिल बजता है तब से लेके लास्ट विसिल तक मेरा काम इतना ही है कि अब क्या हो रहा है, मुझे अब क्या करना है, बस इसके बाद क्या होगा सोचने से ना यू विल गेट एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर एंड यू आर आई मीन व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग ए मैच आप अपना एक ऑटो पायलट मोड ऑन किया, जैसे आपने ग्राउंड के बाहर कुछ भी करो, जब आप ग्राउंड के अंदर स्टेप ऑन करते हो ना आपको आप अजीब से एक दुनिया में पहुंच जाता है. चलो अपना जोन आ गया, अभी अपना काम करना है. Just say the way actors does, एक्शन बोल दिया वो लोग कैरेक्टर बन जाते हैं, अपना एक्टिंग शुरू हो जाता है. सेम वे हम लोग ग्राउंड के ऊपर पहुंच गया ऐसे प्लेयर, हम लोग का कैरेक्टर शुरू हो गया, चलो एक्टिंग शुरू, मतलब अपना एक्टिंग है एक्शन शुरू. तो उस टाइम बेसिकली दिमाग में इतना होता है कि अब मुझे क्या करना है. सो बीइंग ए गोलकीपर मेरे दिमाग में इतना होता है कि अरे यार मुझे ये बॉल सेव करना है. आप सेव करो जीतेगा, आप सेव नहीं करेगा फिर शूटआउट में जाएगा. तो इतना कुछ सोचने का टाइम नहीं था उस टाइम तो मेरे दिमाग में इतना था कि हाँ यार मेरा डिफेंस को ऑर्गेनाइज करना है, चलो लड़का लोग ये करना है, तेरे को ऐसे भागना है, तेरे को ऐसे भागना है, तू ये करो. उसके बाद मुझे अपना काम देखना है कि हाँ मुझे क्या करना है. बेस इंपॉर्टेंट चीज तो वही है ना कि अपना काम इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो एज ए गोलकीपर मुझे बॉल सेव करना है, कहाँ से मार सकते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ मार सकते हैं, ये सब सोचो. फिर एट लास्ट आपका सबसे बेसिक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, just watch the ball and save it. And that's what I done. For a
The world is
beginner,
watching you.
फॉर ए बिगिनर इट माइट बी ए प्रेशर सिचुएशन, क्योंकि जहां पे पहले बार बच्चा इंटरनेशनल खेलने जाता है ना, तब ये चीज दिमाग में रहता है. आई मीन इट्स नॉट देयर इन द दिमाग, और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में भी रहता है कि हारे यार पूरा लोग देख रहे हैं मुझे, सब गाली दे सकता है हारेगा तो, नहीं तो सब शाबाशी दे सकता है, कल न्यूज़पेपर में मेरा फोटो छापेगा, नहीं तो सोशल, आई मीन नॉर्मली हम लोग हार गए तो नॉर्मली पीपल कैन राइट रॉन्ग थिंग अगेंस्ट यू ऑन सोशल मीडिया, सो ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी द सेंसेशनल न्यूज. So there'll be factors to think positive and think negative.
Yes.
But after playing for almost 17 years in the national team, so when from 2004 till now, so that experience helped me to not to worry about those all things. You know, that's experience helped me to think presently and just to act or just to react what is happening, rather than thinking about the consequences if we lose, or thinking about the glorious times if you win. But yeah, that's experience helped me to stay there and think about the present way.
But I have one question with you. You आपने शुरू में जो बोला ना कि अब मेरी लाइफ बदल गई है, लोग फोटो खींचते हैं, you've become the star of the nation somewhere. But did you ever know I'll be a big name in the country like this? However you look at it.
No, never. I never thought about that. Even I never dreamed about becoming an international player. You know,
Wow.
Olympics is something different. So, but whenever, when I was my school, when I was my sports social, Jiviraja Sports School, I was, whenever I stepped on my field, I was just thinking about to stop the balls. That's it. Nothing else. To stop the balls. I mean, initial stage, people used to make fun of me like, अरे यार इसको निकाल दो, पत्थर रख दो, बॉल रुक जाएगा. So that was the things. I mean, initial stage it happens with all the goalkeepers. So सबको बोलता है ना कि यार तेरे से अच्छा तो पत्थर रख लेता है यार, तू साइड में. So that's the times that trigger that sportsman spirit comes in. You feel like हाँ ऐसे बोल दे, चलो देखता हूँ, अभी देखता हूँ. Then you started to save one ball. Then you started to save two balls. So ultimately, I was thinking about, no, I want to save all the balls. So that's how I got that sportsman spirit in a different way as a hockey player. That when I started to do that, then your greedy mind. Human beings are all greedy. Then your greedy mind started to work like, अरे काफी नहीं है, चलो अभी स्टेट टीम में खेलना है मुझे, तब ग्रेस मार्क मिलेगा. When you started to play for the state team, then you started to greedy about, अरे यार इतना तो कर लिया तो नेशनल टीम में कैसे होगा. So it's all step by step. I never imagined about winning an Olympics medal, or people will think about me or talking about me. They will come and click me pictures. Or if you Google my name, you will get 1,000 or 2,000 pictures. Or that is something different. I never ever dreamed out of that. But yes, every stage people demand something better, or every time people dreamed about getting something better. So definitely that's what I done.
So has people attitude in your family, friends changed for you? Do you find it funny or you celebrate it? कि अब attitude ही बदल गया.
Everyone says that, even after when we won 2014 Asian Games, people came, they said the same, says, oh Sri, we know that you are great, you are great, I mean you are fantastic, you are the wall, blah 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 blah. But still somewhere they feel like अरे लगी है तो, I mean तुक्का लग गया. So it happens, you don't know. I mean a lot of people doesn't know how hard we work, or how what all things we sacrifice to become an Olympian or to become an Olympics medalist. So that is something which is totally different, or totally out of reach. Yeah, that's what we can say from a normal person. क्योंकि नॉर्मल पर्सन सुबह काम पे जाओ, शाम को आ जाओ, अपना जोन में रहता है. बट हम लोग को हमेशा अपना जोन से बाहर निकल के काम करना पड़ता है. फैमिली से दूर रहो आपको त्योहार नहीं मना सकता है, कोई बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन नहीं होता है. यू कांट इवन ईट, कई चीज होता है ना, आपको बिरयानी खाना है तो आपको बोला अरे यार डाइटिशियन ने बोले नहीं खाना है. आपको चाहिए कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीना है, नहीं यार आपका कैलोरीज बढ़ जाएगा. So these all things you are sacrificing and you are reaching it level. But ultimately after winning this Olympics medal, I mean घर में गाँव वाला भी होता है ना, अरे यार इसको मैं डेली देखता हूँ, बट वो लोग भी आके फोटो खींचने लगे, अरे यार एक फोटो, इतना साल से जानता हूँ यार, हमारा एक फोटो नहीं है, चलो यार, क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया में अपडेट करने के लिए वो लोग के पास कुछ है ही नहीं. But yeah, but nobody I mean changed after winning this medal.
You're very, very humble. But I want to ask you, you've spoken about your finances as a farmer's son. You've
Yeah.
always gone through it. What money means. Money का importance जितना आप जानते हैं, शायद ही कोई जानता है. So
Yes.
now, how does finance play a very important role in your life? What important role it plays कि life में financial planning कितना जरूरी है आगे के लिए? Because now you have leveled up.
No, planning happens from the first day I joined my first job.
Okay.
So the पहले thing मेरा 6,000 का नौकरी था. I mean 6,000 rupees was the first salary which I got, 6,500 rupees. After all the deduction, I got around 4,000 rupees in my hand. And from that money, my dad asked me to put 1,000 rupees in a life insurance policy. You don't believe that. So I was living literally with 3,000 rupees in my hand.
Wow.
But that's what he said. He said, now you can manage your life because you are alone. You don't need to, you don't need to spend your money lavishly. So at least if you save some money, that will help you in the future. So from that day itself until today, I'm saving almost, a majority of my income in a policy way, in a saving way. So money planning is really important. That's not only for a celebrity, but as a youngster, as a kid, as a new job, a beginner, everyone, they need to do that kind of financial planning for their future. Really important, because आपको एक चीज समझ में आना चाहिए कि आपका जो financial running है, financial जितना भी salaries आते हैं, वो आपके ऊपर है. But there is somebody behind you. आपका parents आपके ऊपर dependent है, आपका families आपके ऊपर dependent है, आपका बच्चा आपके ऊपर dependent है. So if you are spending, मैं तो वही example बोला 1,000 rupees, but if something happens to you, then एक lump sum amount आपको family को मिल जाता है. So policies are really good because life insurance आपको कल के बारे में किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है, कुछ हो गया तो, बट अल्टीमेटली नाउ यू आर आप ऐसा भी नहीं हो कि चलो यार पैसा फेंक रहा है, नहीं, एक टाइम के बाद इफ नथिंग हैपेंस टू यू, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग, एंड आपको वो पैसा भी वापस मिल रहा है. सो आपका लाइफ इंश्योरेंस करना बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है.
आई हैव अ वेरी स्मॉल सेगमेंट फॉर यू. दिस इज कॉल्ड द लेवल अप सेगमेंट. इसमें we just go back to certain moments which we think is relevant to your life, and you just help us with a very short, brief answer.
Okay.
So my first question to you is, which was your level up moment as a child?
My childhood was like literally a village boy. School, back home, homeworks, helping father. That was my life. And playing, definitely, with my childhood friends, my village mates.
So what was that moment जब लगता था कि ये करने के बाद I will feel like चलो
10th finished हो जाए.
Yeah.
Seriously. With everyone, आपको ऐसा लगता है यार किसी भी हालत में 10th फिनिश हो जाए मुझे काफी है. नहीं तो जब 9th तक आ जाता है ना, फिर आपको लगता है नहीं यार जस्ट प्लस 2 खत्म होने दो यार, बस काफी है. तो बच्चा लोगों को पता नहीं होता ना कितना मुश्किल होता है आगे.
But your level of movement in your sports career?
अभी उसको वो तो थोड़ा टफ है, because every moment what you say, it's helped me to become what I am today. So but still मैं बोलता हूँ ना, पहले जब first time when I represented Kerala, that was the moment I felt like अरे यार 60 marks मिल गया, बस काफी है अभी. So that was the best feeling. I feel like, after winning this Olympics medal, that is one of the best things. I felt like that relief. अरे यार 60 marks मिल गया, बस काफी है.
My final question to you, Srijesh, is you being such a all-out person, so humble, they're talking like a sports person today. If I have to ask you, what is you don't plan too much ahead, but how do you plan your game leveling up from here?
हम लोग का बीच में कहावत होता है कि एक चीज हमेशा हम लोग यही बोलते हैं कि जब आपका पीक होने के टाइम आप अपना गेम को चेंज करना है. यू नीड टू ट्राई समथिंग न्यू सो दैट आप अपना गेम को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, आप अपना स्टाइल को चेंज कर सकते हैं और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज द टाइम फॉर मी टू think or take new challenges and new targets. But still, for me, the next target is Asian Games, जहाँ पे हम लोग को पेरिस के लिए डायरेक्ट टिकट मिलता है. And the second target is a World Cup 2023 ओडिशा में होने वाला.
That's so nice, and I'm sure we'll be more proud to look for your victory ahead and ahead. In fact, this one victory has made us all come back to this whole confidence that we are in, Srijesh. But I'm not letting you go like this. You have to leave us with a song.
I'm not really good with singing, seriously, because जब आपको मैं एक चीज बोलता हूँ, जब मैं ग्राउंड में हमेशा रहता हूँ ना, अकेले रहता हूँ, तो जब अकेले मतलब तो गेम आगे चले रहता है, तो मैं पीछे हूँ, तो मेरे को बोरिंग होता है तो मैं गाना गाता हूँ, जब मैं प्रसन्न में तो मैं गाना गाता हूँ। मैंने एक इंटरव्यू में भी ये चीज बोला था कि हमेशा मुझे एक चीज लगता है, जब हमारा हमारा टीम ग्राउंड में उतरने के टाइम ये लक्ष्य वाला मूवी का गाना हमेशा दिमाग में आता है। कंधों से कंधे मिलते हैं, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, जब हम चलते हैं ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन का हिलते हैं। ये गाना तो हमेशा लगता है। तो ये गाना सुनने के टाइम वो टीम बॉन्डिंग वाले फीलिंग्स आ जाता है, एक दूसरे के लिए खड़ा होता है ना, कि हाँ यार तू कुछ करो, मैं तेरे साथ में, मैं तेरे को सपोर्ट करूंगा। तो ये फीलिंग हमेशा साथ में रहता है।
That's so wonderful, and thank you, Srijesh, not just for giving us an inspiring story, आपका level up journey, but also leaving us with the thought कि life में secured रहना कितना जरूरी है,
Yes.
and to live your journey without obstacle, how important it is to have your insurance and term insurance there.
Thank you, SBI Life, for this wonderful opportunity. And as one thing which I wanted to tell at the end, you are what you are today. It might change tomorrow. So securing tomorrow, it's in your hand. So you it's. I mean, no, I'm not forcing anybody to go and take insurance plans, but it's up to you. It's your choice. If you take a wise decision, that's going to save your life tomorrow. So good luck for everyone, and thank you very much.
This podcast is brought to you by SBI Life Insurance Company Limited. For more details, please visit www.sbilife.co.in. IRDAI registration number 111.